What if every time you sneezed, you teleported 10 meters? Imagine sneezing in the shower and reappearing in your neighbor's kitchen. Awkward. Here's the deal. Every sneeze launches you 10 meters in the direction you're facing. You can't teleport through solid walls, but you'll keep your orientation, so if you're mid-cartwheel, good luck. Any sneeze counts. Dust, pepper, allergies, even sunlight. Indoors? Sneeze too close to a wall and you'll just bounce back. On a bus? Hope you like surprise exits. Crowded spaces? One sneeze and you're playing human pinball. Picture classrooms with students popping up like popcorn, chefs vanishing mid-soufflé, or basketball games where players teleport mid-dunk. Society adapts fast. Anti-sneeze etiquette, teleport lanes on sidewalks, soft wall buildings, and everyone's packing antihistamines. Scientists say it's a micro-reflex gone wild, a sneeze-triggered spatial hop, maybe evolution's way of dodging danger. Would you risk a sneeze or hold it in? Hit follow for more totally possible what-ifs.